What is up, guys? Welcome back to Jack Stand Builds. Welcome if you're new. I've noticed a few new people have subscribed, so thank y'all very much. But today we have my 2011 Cts-V here, and it's all taken apart. And you might wonder why. Let me show you. So here we have it. I've got the supercharger lifted up, and got the manifolds off down there. And y'all already know what the heck that means. It means we're putting some headers. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Like Chief Keef, you know. Anyways, so what we're gonna do is put a smaller pulley, a flex fuel sensor, different injectors, different idler pulley, and we're putting headers on it. And I already have a Weapon X heat exchanger, and I have the Peirburgh heat exchanger pump, the CWA 150, and I got a Black Market Racing ice tank, which is not in there right now because I had to take it out to take the computer out so that we could take that to Dedicated Motorsports to get a bass tune. So anyways, I'm gonna start putting these headers in here. I just got the stock manifolds out, so pardon my little mess over here, but here they are. There's my intake, but here's the stock manifolds and cats, and here is the long pipe right here that's sitting in kitty litter because I made a mess last night. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna start putting this header in on this side, and I will let y'all know as soon as I get that up. All right, guys, there we have it. As you can see, those headers are down there now. Come around the other side. Same deal, got those headers down there. So now what I'm gonna do is snug the X pipe up, and then start putting the spark plugs in, get all the coils and stuff on, and then put this snout on, you know, do the rest. All right, folks, fast forward a little bit. I got extremely behind because my tune date is tomorrow, and I had to slap it together real quick without filming. So sorry about that, guys. Here it is. I didn't connect the hoses to the brick back there because I don't have the O-rings that go to the brick. So basically, I've got to baby it to take it to the tuner with no coolant inside of the supercharger. But I think I'm about to do first startup here. I think I've got everything connected other than, you know, those ports back there. Hopefully that isn't a vacuum leak, but we're about to see. Here we go.
Yep. You fucking didn't do something.
I didn't connect it. What's up, guys? Y'all saw that that water squirting out of my engine bay. That was just because I didn't have the heat exchanger line hooked up to the supercharger. So basically, it had to flush all the water out of itself. But as you can see now, I'm driving. It's driving good. It's stupid loud. So I'm headed to the muffler shop right now. But I got some cans back here. Got some E85 in them. So we're headed to the muffler shop first, and then we're going to Dedicated Motorsports, and we're going to see what this thing lays down. All right, folks, got it up at the muffler shop. This is my new exhaust right here. I had to hurt it a little bit to try to get it off in a hurry, but basically we're going to weld these clamps, and then get rid of this factory X pipe and just connect it. Get rid of this factory X pipe and just connect it all the way, because I already have an X pipe. So here we go. What's up, guys? Made it up here to DMS. Time to start getting tuned. Got her on the dyno. I think we're gonna do some 93 pulls right now, do some baseline pulls, and then start digging into some power. course, I just missed the pool and my phone in my pocket, but all right, guys, just got her tuned up and all that stuff. About to take it out racing. Gonna, I guess, show y'all what this thing can do with just 600 to the wheels. I've actually got a couple before videos of when I was completely stock. I was probably heat soaked pretty bad too because I didn't even have cooling mods yet. So I'm gonna show y'all just a few before and afters, back to back. I've got 3 of them. You'll see the first 2, they match, but then I raced, I don't know what was done to the black Hellcat, and I know the white Hellcat had some bolt-ons, so I don't think either of them were stock, but I don't know. Well, I know that the white one wasn't stock, I should say, but I don't know about the black one. Anyways, y'all take a look at this, look at the before and after, and you can see the rest of the night of racing. Give me the hit. Let me just go. All right, bye. Guys, so we just went out and raced a few cars. I've got a lot of before clips of them from when I was stock, and every so to be on bolt-ons and E and to have that crazy top end like that, I wouldn't say crazy top end, but it's definitely fun to be able to beat them like that. That's something else. 1, 2, 3. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed some of those races with, you know, what bolt-ons it has. You know, it doesn't have a lot, but the pulley is pretty small. So I am sort of, I think I'm like almost max effort at pulley, but I know I can do a few more bolt-ons, like a green filter and like ported snout, throttle body, stuff like that. And I'm sure there's a couple other things I can do, but for just you know, just a handful of mods, you know, I think it does pretty good against some pretty quick cars out there. I'm not no heavy hitter or anything, but it is a fun little daily. So I hope y'all enjoyed seeing me race. I know some of the races I might have seemed a little cocky throwing the deuces out and stuff, but honestly, those are just my friends. You know, I wouldn't be doing that to random people that I didn't feel comfortable around. You know what I mean? I'm not really one to boast like that. I'm just really kind of happy with the car and wanted to show them what was up. But anyways, yeah, hope y'all enjoyed watching me race. Let's finish this thing up. But anyways, guys, that's a wrap. Thank y'all for watching this video, watching me build the V up a little bit here and do some mods to it. It was pretty fun being able to mod this thing, and it's definitely been a fun daily since. So but definitely some more upgrades coming soon. Right now I'm running a dirty stock Airraid filter. I'm gonna upgrade to the green one. That should be about a 15 to 20 horsepower gain just by itself, and go from there really. But yeah, thank y'all for watching. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at JackStainBuilds. Check me out on TikTok at JackStainBuilds. And as always, y'all have a good one. Peace. Oh yeah, and PS 416 stroker truck, we going fast.